Hello, welcome back to my channel. Quick question. Have you ever felt overwhelmed switching between emails, WhatsApp, and a dozen apps just to keep track of work? I know I have. Back in 2022, my team almost missed a big deadline because half the updates were in emails, some were in text messages, and a few were floating around in WhatsApp groups. Total chaos, right? That's when I decided to test Slack. And honestly, it changed the way I work. More on this later. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Slack to increase productivity in 2025, especially if you're a beginner. By the end of this video, you will know what Slack is, who it's for, and why it's better than just sticking with email or WhatsApp, and how even if you're working solo, you can set it up and make it work for you. So first things first, what is Slack? Slack is basically a messaging app built for work. Think of it as WhatsApp, but designed for professionals and teams. Instead of random chats and forwards, you get organized conversations, channels for different projects, and tools that connect directly to apps you already use like Google Drive, Zoom, and even Microsoft Office. Who should use it? Honestly, anyone who needs to work with people, tech teams, small businesses, freelancers, even people like you. If you're in sales, insurance, or consulting, if communication and organization are part of your work, Slack can make it easier. Now, you might be thinking, but can't I just do with Microsoft Office or email? Here's the thing. Email is slow. You send a message, wait, then reply, then scroll through long threads. Slack is instant. WhatsApp is casual. It mixes business with family minds. Slack keeps it professional and organized. What of Discord? Good question. Discord is great for gamers or communities, but Slack is built for productivity. It has features like workflow automation, integrations with business tools, and stronger security. So yes, you can do everything with Microsoft Office, but Slack makes it faster, simpler, and less stressful. It's like the difference between cooking with a coal pot and a microwave. Both will get the job done, but one saves you time and energy. Now, let me show you something more practical. Sharing daily reports on Slack. Instead of sending 20 emails, you can create a channel called Daily Reports. Everyone on your team drops updates there once a day. You can even pin a template like tasks completed, what you're working on, any blockers. That way, your manager or team doesn't have to chase you. Everything is visible in one place, and trust me, leadership loves that kind of clarity. If you're working solo, you can still use this. Create your own private channel and drop your progress there daily. It's like keeping a digital library, and it helps track all your growth in one place. Let me answer some common questions people ask me about Slack. Can insurance agents use Slack to connect with clients? Not really. Slack is more for internal communication within a company or a team. If you want to send newsletters, videos, or updates to clients, email and CRM tools are better. But Slack is fantastic for keeping your internal team organized while you serve clients. What if I'm just one person? What do I put in company name when setting up Slack? Someone asked me that earlier. Simple. Just put your own name or a nickname. Slack doesn't force you to run a company. You can use it as a solo worker. Why use Slack instead of WhatsApp? Because Slack keeps your work life separate from family chats and group mimes. Plus, you can search for messages from months ago without scrolling endlessly. Is Slack a messenger app? Yes, but for work. Think of it as personal WhatsApp with extra tools. Some people ask, how do you use Slack on iPhone or Android? Just download the Slack app from your App Store or Google Play Store. Log in, join your workspace, and boom, you're in. Notifications work like any other chat app. Remember that story I shared at the beginning? The project we almost messed up? Once we moved to Slack, all those scattered updates landed in one place. No more missed deadlines. No more, I didn't see that email. Productivity shot up. And honestly, my stress dropped too. So here's the truth. Whether you are a managing director or you are managing a team, freelancing, or just want to be more organized, Slack can be your secret weapon. Productivity is not about working harder. It's about working smarter with the right tools. And if you want to create your own productivity system that works just for you, a system that is tailored to your special needs, check out this video right now.